Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a vintage park advertising lighter for Smirnoff vodka. Very nice old lighter from the Murfreesboro, Tennessee era. So somewhere around 1960 to the 1970s. I assumed the lighter was what I see in the Facebook groups being referred to as a pasty, but when I looked it up, I don't believe so. There's several examples of this exact lighter with that exact emblem being sold on eBay over the course of time that lighters have been sold on eBay. So a very cool old relic, and one that harkens back to a very dear story to me, and a tribute that a friend of mine did to my dad after he passed. This lighter shows wear, scuffs, dings, scratches. I sort of begin every video with that, just as a matter of practice, because the videos are intended to highlight lighters that are being sold on eBay. But this particular lighter is not going to be sold. I have a t-shirt around here somewhere that my buddy AJ had printed after my dad passed that has the image of Double Suck Mountain in the Honubby Hills of southeastern Oklahoma. And then I can't remember the exact quote. Where's the Smirnoff? Who drank all the Smirnoff? Sort of an inside joke with my old man that we really all got a kick out of at a time when we could still have a lot of fun with him. So this lighter will be going into my collection along with the Jack lighter and a few others that perhaps maybe somewhere down the line I may give to somebody. But as for now, they're going to be in my collection. You can see there is a little bit of brassing or plating loss. Plating is getting thin there on the back. If you enjoy watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video you're watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. You can leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like Dependable Flame and DependableFlame.com across all the social media platforms. That will be Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, and of course eBay. You can see that nice enameled emblem, which at first I thought might be a little off center. I don't know. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. Seems pretty typical with park lighters from the Murfreesboro era. The insert is mostly constructed of aluminum. Spring is not, maybe the windscreen. The body of the insert definitely is. This one has a metal flint spring screw, which is a better option than many park come with. I re-wicked this lighter, and because I re-wicked it and because I have no intention of reselling it, I also turned around the dirty end of the felt pad so that the clean side is showing. The case is pretty heavy gauge. I believe it is chrome plated brass. I don't know, could be nickel or some other silver toned metal. Whatever it was, as I said, some of it is missing from the back. Five barrel hinge that is riveted to the body and the lid of the lighter. Make sure you get over to eBay and check out the dependableflame.com store. Every purchase that you make there will benefit HDSA, Huntington's Disease Society of America, with at least 10% of each purchase going to the charity. We also have 3 penny start auctions each month, where 100% of the proceeds of those listings go to HDSA. That is all facilitated through eBay and PayPal. No matter how you pay, eBay does that through PayPal to get the charity the money. I provide free shipping. High bidder pays the money, which all goes to the charity. They get the lighter, and everybody is happy. There are many different ways that you can collect lighters, and I used to say that I wasn't a collector. Now I can't say that because I am. I'm definitely on the chase of any Penguin Cygnus Petrol lighter I can find. And another thing is the collection of personally important lighters, or lighters that I'm emotionally attached to in one way or another. And I have a few of those that my mother gave me that had belonged to my father. I have some other items that she gave me that belonged to my grandmother. And then I have some that I've collected along the way. But that's another way that you can collect lighters that doesn't necessarily have to follow the theme of a brand or type. It can be about what is sentimentally valuable to you. But even the ones that are sentimentally valuable to me, I still like them to work. So I re-wicked this lighter, and it does have new wadding in it as well. But that's just me. You don't have to. You can put them on the shelf with no intention of ever firing them up. You can put them on there without ever getting those flint tubes cleared out. You can put it on the shelf and do whatever you wish. But if you buy it from me, I hope that you intend to use it and light up whatever you combust and it will be suitable for that purpose. Until next time.